How to set up early bird discounts. Once you're in the early bird discount screen, by default the early bird discount function is turned off. Click on the on option to see the full features of the functionality on the screen. You may now select house levels, all products, or product levels, individual rooms, to set your discounts. House levels, one rule for all products. Select house level discount. Choose whether to offer a fixed dollar amount or a percentage discount from the drop-down list. Click on Add Rule and complete the empty fields. Add exclusion dates for periods when you don't wish to offer the discount, for example, public holidays. You may find it useful to enter an internal description of the exclusion period for future reference. You may add up to 5 exclusion periods. Remember to click Save at the bottom to save your changes. For product level or individual rules for each product, choose whether to offer a fixed amount or percentage discount from the drop-down list. Click on Add Rule and complete the empty fields for each product you wish to offer a discount. It is not mandatory to have a discount for all products. Add exclusion dates for periods when you don't wish to offer the discount. And remember to click Save to save your changes.